Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add booking.com reviews to your Shopify store super quick and super easy. We're using Elf site for this one, the link's in the description so you can jump straight to the right page. Once you click the link, just sign up with your email and password or use an existing account that you already have. Once you're in, you'll have access to all of their widgets. Instead of scrolling forever, go to the search widget box at the top and type in booking.com. You'll see the booking.com reviews and go ahead and open that. It will now let you choose which template you would like to use. They have carousel widget, floating badge, grid, slider, list, and many more. Pick whichever matches your store's look, then hit continue with this template. Next, you need the booking.com URL of your property or listing. Just open booking.com or use the example right here. Once you click on the link, you're going to hit the share button, copy the link, and paste it inside of Elf site's source field. Okay, usually it takes a couple of minutes for the reviews to load, especially if it's your first time adding them. But since I've already used this example, it immediately loaded for me or on my end. Alright, so we can go ahead and proceed to the layout tab. So even though you picked a template earlier, you can still adjust things like width, columns, rows, mobile rows, spacing, autoplaying, and many more, depending on your layout. Okay, so we can proceed to the header. And under header, you can choose to show or hide the title and what text appears there or elements. You can hide the heading, rating, number of reviews, write a review button, and the widget title. Now, if you go ahead to the review tab, you can also customize how the reviews would look in the review style and the review source style. Since this already looks fine for me, we can go ahead and proceed to the style tab. In the style tab, you can also adjust the color scheme and any other elements such as the background, widgets, header, and many more. So in the color scheme, you can choose which color would you like to use. For the review button, if your site is dark or light, just match it. So you can fine tune everything inside the elements. The background, the accent color, the fonts, the widget title, and so on. Once you're happy with the design, click publish. Elf site will now ask you to pick a plan. The free plan works if you're just testing or if your traffic is small, which again is only limited to 200 views, and you can always upgrade later when you need more monthly views. After selecting a plan, Elf site will now give you an embed code. What you're going to do is copy that or click the copy code, head to your Shopify editor, click add section, search for custom liquid, open it, and paste the code inside the box. And just like that, your booking.com reviews are now showing on your Shopify store. You can go ahead and save this, go to a live preview of our website, click refresh, and we can now see the booking.com reviews are working on our end. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.